sun's burning bright over Russell, Kentucky. Calm water glass, not a ripple in sight. Captain sips coffee, gives the engines a grunt. See, 15-box tow, coal locked up tight, loaded deep in the hollers, rake clean in the dark. Now she's southbound heavy, cutting clean and slow. Ain't no prettier picture in these riverbank parks than a big towboat shoving black gold down the Ohio. Stag talking lazy in the warm river air. Searchlight sleeping, don't need it today. Oh, she's a towboat queen with a 15-box tow, pushing that black gold where the big plants glow. Sun on the water, cold in the sun. Ain't a finer day from Pittsburgh to old Cairo town. Push it, girl, push it proud. Black gold on the Ohio, Lord, look at her now. She's flexing that toe like a long steel snake. 15 boxes breathing with every wake. Deck hand on the head, ratchet singing sweet. Coupling up dreams in the midday heat. From the Kanawha loads to the powerhouse stacks, this is how the heartland keeps the lights on track. 15,000 tons of mountain turned to mine, rolling smooth and pretty in the bright daylight. Oh, she's a towboat queen with a 15-box tow, pushing that black gold where the big plants glow. Sun on the water, cold in the sun. Ain't a finer day from Pittsburgh to old Cairo town. Push it, girl, push it proud. Black gold on the Ohio, Lord, look at her now. Call her whatever her nameplate reads today. Every scrape on her bow's got something to say. But when she rounds the bend with that big towing line, every river rat on shore knows it's a damn good time. Yeah, she's a towboat queen with a 15-box tow, hauling the power that keeps this country whole. Sun high and smiling, river flat and wide. That's America working, baby, with the